My brother-in-law had hired Jason to do his garage floor, and so we went over and looked at it and just knew that was what we wanted for ours.
I'm Jason with Intricate Coatings. I'm here with Robert. We just finished another garage floor epoxy, and I'm going to get his take on the project and see how he feels. So Robert, why did you pick Intricate Coatings to do your floor?
Well, first of all, the floor needed redoing. It was in terrible shape. My brother-in-law had hired Jason to do his garage floor, and so we went over and looked at it and just knew that was what we wanted for ours. So we picked the color, and Jason came out and gave us all the options, and we said, let's go for it.
So you're pretty happy with it?
I'm very happy with the floor. It's nothing like it used to look, and it's really very, very pretty, very pretty.
So would you refer us to somebody else in the future?
Absolutely. In fact, I already have. Some of my kids are going to come over and look at it, and we'd recommend Jason. He's a nice guy to work with, and does really neat, clean work. We're very happy with it, Jason.
Well, it's great working for you, and I definitely will continue to give everyone the same great job.
Okay. Very
Thanks,
good.
Robert.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right. We thank you.
If you want to take your dull, boring garage and turn it into a showroom and something that you can be proud of, call Intricate Coatings.